to the answer to QR code 8. So in this question, you've been asked to find angles A and B. And we use the circle. So there's some circle theorems in play here. And the first one, which is the easiest one to answer, is A. So if we look at A, you know there's a relationship between the angle at the circumference and the angle at the center. So at the center circumference here, the angle at the center will hang under the center, which is what A is doing. And we know from our circle theorems that the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So A is equal to 2 lots of 140 degrees, which makes it 280. So A is equal to 280 degrees. We also, that's your first mark, that's one mark, there's 3 marks in total for this question. You're then asked to find angle B, which is a little bit more tricky, but we can also work out the angle at the other side of the centre, because we know the angles altogether here would add up to 180. So 360, not 180, silly. So we know that's 280. If we take 280 from 360, which would give us this angle here, we've got 360 take away 280, that is 80 degrees. So we know that this angle here is 80 degrees. If we split this in half, we know that we would have 40 degrees either side. So that's no longer 80, but 40. We know that's 40. And we also know here that this angle here is 90 degrees because this is a radius and this is a tangent. So we've got 40 and 90 here, and angle B down here is a third angle in a right angled triangle, which would mean that these two angles here would add up to 90, which means that this must be 50, and then the other side must be 50. So that means that angle B must equal 100 degrees. So adding them both together. The other thing they could have done is use the quadrilateral. You know that's 80, and these two are 90. So you've got 180 plus 80, and then take that away from 360, and that will give you your answer 100 as well.